Civic. I'm dipping in my Civic, my Civic, my Civic. I'm bouncing in my Civic, my Civic, my Civic. I'm riding in my Civic, my Civic, my Civic. I got the free gas Civic.
Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy LS7R254. As you can see, we back up on the hood of C-10, man, trying to figure out this wire and shit. I did some research. Apparently this lead coming off of the here is supposed to be sending a ground signal. It's supposed to ground out, I guess, when the relay engages, and then that's what turns on the fan. So I got it wired up to where it's supposed to do. I do gotta run to Harbor Freight and go get a multimeter. Mine crapped on me. So as you can see, that's now hot. So what we should be running into when it gets up to temperature, that should cut off. So that should cut off, fan should turn on. That should be the end of our story. So when we get back from Harbor Freight, we're gonna crank this thing up, man, and hopefully that'll be the end of our little problem. I did check out the thing, as you can see right there. It is pin 42. This one actually doesn't have the high and the low, but you can see that it is. Let's see what it, you might not be able to see it. Is it 24? No, it's this one here. Yeah, see, it's right there at the end, pin 42, right there. If you can see it right there. So that's our blue wire that's coming all the way through the loom, and it's coming out right here, and it's going right there. Once that sends whatever signal, but I don't know, because I'm confused, because if that's supposed to ground out, then would that like unhook the circuit, or would it hook the circuit? And that's what I'm trying to understand and wrap my head around right now. But being that we know that we are one step closer, I'm gonna get back. When I get back, I'm gonna shoot. We're gonna warm it up again and see if it'll cut off. Now, if anything, we know that we can sit this light right here and then see when it cuts off, when it cuts on. But like I said, now that it's hooked up correctly, then it should do what it need to do. So cross our fingers, y'all.